Today practical is decoder using IC 7447. Now see, this is the circuit diagram of circuits. Now see here, the pin number 16 is VCC and pin number 8 is ground. Now see, this is your display. Display is also pin number 8 is VCC. Okay, now see here, the first you just see the IC. Pin number 15 is the F, pin number 14 is G, and the pin number 13 is connected to the A, and pin number 12 is connected to the B, and pin number 11 connect to the C, and pin number 10 is connected to the D, and pin number 9 is connected to the E. And this is all our inputs A, B, C, D. Pin number 7 is A, pin number 1 is B, pin number 2 is C, and pin number 6 is D. Now the C, and the pin number 3 is display testing circuit, and pin number 4 is the blanking output circuit, and pin number 5 is the blanking input circuit. See, this is your display. It is a common anode. Common anode display number is FND 507 display. Now see here, in this display the 5 pins are here and 5 pins are here. Now that is start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the pin number 3 and the pin number 8 are VCC. You will take any one, no problem. Now the see the dot is pin number 5. Okay, now the see here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F and the G. Now the see the pin number A is a pin number 7 and pin number B is pin number 6 and pin number 4 is your C and pin number 2 is a D and pin number 1 is E and pin number 9 is F and pin number 10 is G. Now the see, this is the pin number 16 is VCC. So we indicated the red color of the wire. And black pin number 8 indicated black wire. Black color of the wire indicated minus pin number 8 and display VCC is pin number 8. Now the see the pin number 15 are connected to the pin number 9 of the display. So this is your resistor. We are connecting in pin number 15. This is pin number 15. Okay. So see the pin number 15. We are connected like this. Okay. Using yellow color of the wire. So see, this is pin number 9. This is pin number 9. Okay. So we are connecting to here. Take the map properly. Take the measurement properly. Okay. Now the see here. Pin number 9. Okay. It is cut again. Pin number 9. Take measurement properly. Okay, this is pin number 9 and next to register, see here pin number 14 to 10. Okay, so this is pin number 14 and we mount the register properly. Blue color of the wire. Now see, this is pin number 14 to 10. We take the measurement. Number 14 to 10. Okay. Next is pin number 13, number 13 also mount the resistor properly. Green color of the wire we have indicated. This is your pin number 13 to 7. This is 7. Next resistor we are connecting to the pin number C. Pin number now see, this is a pin number 11. Sorry, the pin number 12 to 6. Pin number 12 to 6. Okay. So again we mounted the resistor properly using again yellow color of the wire. Yellow color of the wire. Now we are going down here. See here the pin number 9. Connect to the display pin number 1. Okay. See, this is your pin number 9. Okay. 9 to here. We cut the wire. This jumper going to down also. And pin number 1. This is your pin number 1. Mount the resistor properly. And take the measurement here. Okay. Next is again we'll take another color of the wire, yellow, pin number 10. This is 9 and this is your pin number 10. Okay. This is also down bubble. Pin number 2 to pin number 10. Down the mount this register properly. Okay. See, this is pin number 10 to 2. Next is also pin number 11. This is 11. Pin number 11. pin number 11 also. We cut the down wire, this bubble. Pin number 11. It is a pin number 4. We mount the register pin number 4 properly. Okay. Now the see here, pin number 4 to here 11. Okay, 4 wire of the inputs. Pin number 7 is your A. This is your A. Pin number 1 is B. Pin number 2 is C. And pin number 6 is D. On the power supply. Okay, now see here, this is your truth tables, serial number, BCD inputs and segment position on and off. When the segment is on, indicated 1 and the segment is off, indicated 0. Now the see, this is your all inputs are 0, 0, A, B, C, D, all are 0, your segment indicated 0. Now the see here, all are 0, 0. Now the see here, only pin number 10 display G is 0 and all segment is 1. So this is 0. Now the see the display, we are the 1. Okay, now the see BCC 1. Now the indicated here, display 8421, this is a 1 and see here, pin number 7 is 0. B and C is 1, 1. See here, B and C is 1, 1 and all segments positions are 0, 0 and this is indicated 1. Now this see, this is 2, indicated the 2, see, in this indicated 2, indicated the 2 here, see here, 7, 1, display 7, 1, B 6 number 1, C pin number 4 0 and display D 1, E 1, F 0 and G 1. This is your 2, display showing 2. Now the 3, okay, A and B, this is the 3, okay, see here 1 1, 0 0 1 1, display is 3. Now see in this condition, your A1, B1, C1, D1, E0, F0, G1 and display showing 3. Okay, now next is a 4. Okay, next is 4. So we'll indicate it like this. Just a minute, wait. So this is pin number. Okay, C is 1. Okay, pin number 3, sorry, pin number your 2 is C. C is 1. Now you see here that what happened here. See, this is 0 1 0 0. Okay, now the C pin number display 7 is 0, B1, C1, D0, E0, F1 and G1 and display is 4. And the 5 indicated the 5 input, 7 and pin number 2 is 1. See here, pin number 5, 0 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1. Now the see here, pin number 7 1, B0, C1, D1, E0, F1 and G1 display is 5. And in this condition, now the next is 6. This is your 6. 6 is your 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, now see here A0, B0, C1, D1, E1, F1 and G1 and display is 6. Okay, now they indicated 7. 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now I will show you here 0, 1, 1, 1. This is your 7. Now see here A1, B1, C1, D0, E0, F0 and G also 0 and indicated 7. And the last number is, second last number is your D. I will show you it in 2 minutes. Now pin number 8, pin number 6 is D, okay, is 8. Now see here pin number 8, 1, 0, 0, okay. Pin number 8 is 1, 0, 0. Now the C display A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, okay, F1, G1 and this is the pin number 8. Okay, and last is your pin number 9, okay, the pin number 9. See here 9, 1, 0, 0, 1 is your 9, A1 display, B1, C1, D0, E0 and F1, G1 and this display is 9. So here I end my video. Hope that you like it. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye.